check out. I love you too, Justine. I love you too. Hindi naman. Habol na guys, habol na po. Next item po natin, which basket number guys would you like me to flex next? At dahil dyan may bomb. Thank you so much guys for those who already check out. Comment down below guys, which basket number would you like me to flex next or where po? Sorry Sir Choco, hindi kasi ako kumakaldag. Yung kaldag ko na totoo sa mga tamang tao ko lang pinapakita. Hindi yun yung totoo kong kaldag. Next item natin, basket number 8. Basket number 8 natin guys, 3 pieces per pack na brick. Same lang po yan dito. Ang pinag-aiba lang yung spleen and meron din po dito. Tawag dito. Meron din lang po dito yung bench body na logo. Same lang po yan dito. Yung basket number 8 po natin. 8 medium, wala po tayong sample kasi sir eh. Thank you so much guys for those who already check out.